everyone. This is a short video that I'm gonna make regarding the DJI repair service that I'm gonna avail. My DJI Mavic Mini, it was experiencing some kind of gimbal issues, like when I take off, it starts to jerk or move randomly, and every time I had to bring it back and have it recalibrated. Sometimes it did not even used to recalibrate, so I contacted DJI Care service, customer care service, and they said to send in the remote and the drone itself. So I'm gonna send in the drone without the battery and the memory card. And as you can see, like, this is absolutely fresh, never crashed, no issues whatsoever. I did not even fly it in dusty areas that the gimbal might get jammed up or something. Mostly I was experiencing the gimbal overload, gimbal motor overload, or the gimbal stuck error. So let's see what the turnaround is and do I incur any costs or not. Although they ensured like this is covered under the basic warranty. Purchased it back in December 31, 2019. And today it's April, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna update you on that. May 1st, 2020, my package from DJI came back. I had sent the Mavic Mini for the repair because I had the gimbal error and the gimbal stuck error. So they responded and I did not incur any costs. So that means like it was repaired for free. But I see like they did make a couple of changes, so I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna unbox this baby right here with the sand. Stay tuned. So this is the Mavic Mini unit. They sent it out, and they sent out another flight safety thing. Okay, and of course the memo. And this is the package. Looks like they sent out a brand new unit. Okay, let's open it up. As you can see, looks like they sent in a replacement unit, but it's not the same drone that I sent. It's got a different serial number. I'm gonna block off the serial number, of course, due to privacy purpose. But the remote controller, it stays the same. And it's just that I'm getting a brand new unit for the drone only. Let's open it up. Let's see. There we go. That's my remote, and looks like, yes, this is the same remote. And let's, sorry for that. There. So the sticks are right there inside. And okay, everything looks good. Now let's open up the drone. Alright guys, there it is. It's a brand new drone unit, I guess. But when I contacted the customer care service, they said they're gonna send out an equivalent, something equivalent to a new one. But I'm not sure like if they sent out a new one, but I guess this is a new one. Let's just take a look. So everything has been inspected, and well, looks like it is a brand new unit. See, like all the parts and everything is pristine. There's no scratches or any smudges on the device, so I guess they did send in a brand new one. Yeah, looks like. Yeah, I would say it's a brand new one. Alright guys, so this was my experience with the DJI warranties, because I was having the trouble with the gimbal right there. It's in the cover, so I'm gonna fly this device and I'm gonna update you guys on that. So far I've been satisfied, and this was sent out from New York to Texas, Grapevine in Texas. And yeah, I sent it out back in April 16th. That's the date when I shipped it out, and it took a lot of time because of the coronavirus. As we know, the whole world is suffering because of that, and that's acceptable. Like, that's not a big problem, because we all got to understand there are limitations to workforce, and not everybody's working, so we got to keep those things in consideration. And yeah, I'm surprised that things turned out pretty fast. I would say they did all the evaluation, and the drone replacement was sent in free of cost. There was no cost incurred because I purchased this drone back in December 31, 2019. And yeah, because of the trouble that I was having, it was covered under the basic warranty, because the drone, it has a 1-year warranty, and the same applies for the remote. So the remote controller and the drone, they are covered by the basic warranty of the device. That's a 1-year warranty. If there's a device malfunction or like a problem from the manufacturer themselves, not the human error though, okay? So this drone was never crashed. The one that I sent in never crashed, and I flew it very less. Never even tried flying out like way too much that there would be trouble. So yeah, that's it. And I would say a big thumbs up to DJI for answering all my queries and everything. I'm really happy. I'm really satisfied with their service. So I've set up the drone. It's updated to the 1.00.0500 firmware, and this is my reflector for photography. So I'm using that as a landing pad. For now, I'm gonna fly it indoors. That's why I'm using the prop guards, since I live in a no-fly zone. Let's give it a try. And I'm gonna take off without the app. I mean, I'm just using the remote. The propellers are on, and I think we can have takeoff now. Stable flight. Thank you, DJI. Thank you for watching.